Most people get this wrong. They assume Deep Dream Generator is just another AI art app, but the surprising truth is that it offers unique, dreamlike transformations that can turn ordinary photos into surreal artwork. Here's my experience using it. Deep Dream Generator uses neural networks to reinterpret images. You upload a photo, select a style like deep, thin, or artistic, and let the AI process it. The results are often psychedelic and visually striking, with patterns and textures that look almost dreamlike, hence the name. The platform is simple to use. No technical skills are required. You can create free images with lower resolution or pay for higher quality outputs and faster processing. It also allows some customization. You can adjust the intensity of the effect and layer multiple styles for unique results. The surprising truth is that while it produces stunning visuals, results can be unpredictable. Sometimes the AI emphasizes unexpected details, creating abstract shapes or overexposed patterns. This makes experimentation part of the fun, but it might not suit projects that require precise visuals. In conclusion, Deep Dream Generator is perfect for artists, content creators, and anyone who loves surreal digital art. It's fun, easy to use, and can turn ordinary photos into mesmerizing dreamlike creations. Just be prepared for surprises. It's all part of the AI magic. Subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews and tips to get the most out of creative platforms.